Morning, Ethan and Lily. Today, we'll learn about something very fun, big and small.
Yay! I like big things.
And I like small things too.
Look at these. Which one is small?
The little mouse.
And the ball is small too.
Wow! That elephant is huge!
It's so big compared to the mouse.
Exactly. Big and small are everywhere around us. Now, look at the apples. Which one is big?
Red apple is big. And the green apple is small.
Miss Grace, look at my pencil. It is so tall.
Yeah!
Yes, Ethan. Big things are taller or wider than small things.
And my crayon is tiny.
The sun is very big, and the moon is smaller in the sky.
I can see it. Big sun, small moon.
Wow, it's magical. Look at the teddy. It's bigger than me. And my tiny doll is so small.
See how big and small can be fun to compare. Even chairs can be big or small.
I want the big chair.
I like the tiny chair more. I like the tall sunflower.
Even plants can be big or small.
I like the tiny one.
I like the tall sunflower.
The stars in the sky can be big and small too.
Big stars are so bright. And the tiny ones twinkle like magic. Look! The tiny mouse is riding the big elephant.
It's so cute, big and small together. Yes, big and small can be friends too. Let's see some big and small things outside too.
Wow! That tree is very big. And look! A tiny flower by the tree.
So remember, big and small are everywhere in class, outside, and even in your imagination.
Big and small are so much fun. Bye.
Bye-bye, everyone. Like and subscribe us.